Welcome this video. Video title is Enhancing Your Home Charm Landscape Idea for the side of the house. The side of your house often present a unique landscape challenge. Its space that frequently overlooked or underutilized, yet its hold significant potential to enhance your home overall cub appear and functional. Whether your side yard is not and functional area, we explored various landscape strategies and design concept type significant for the side of your home. Create a pathway. A well-designed pathway can add sophistication and various interior to the side of your home while privacy count to different area. Consider use material such as cotton, filestone or stopstone to create a pathway that complement your home account and landscape theme. A well pathway can soft and line of your house and create a more inviting atmosphere. Vertical gardening. If space is limited, vertical garden can be a game change. Install them about or well mounted plants to maximize vertical gardening and add greenery to the side of your house. Claimed plants like and charm rose can soft hard surface and create a lush backdeep. Add vertical gardening can help count use unit of wall. Create privacy. Privacy is often a knot on the side of the house impact if it's inject to a not popular statement place through or glass can provide privacy while add beauty to the landscape. Consider install a fence, live panel or privacy screen for add convenient plants or very high textile to create and natural look. One, they enhance privacy without feel close of incorporating hardscape elements. Hardscape elements such as patio, depth, bungalow to vibrant valve can transforming the side of your house into an outdoor living space. Define different area of drink, long or gardening to minimalize functional incorporating built-in set line of water functional to enhance comfort and ambience. Choose material that complement you your home interior and create outsized look. Add lights. Outdoor lights not only add soft and security but also extend the usability of your outdoor space into the every house. Install part lights among with vibrant applied to highlight architecture, functional and ambience light of entrance area. Consider incorporating solar power lights and electric effective and object to install long can create a magic in atmosphere and here to beauty of your landscape enhance main interest the landscape come main interest is it to keep your side yard look its beauty ambience the main interest rope that impact waterfall folk need more help your plants to add me inject to possibility from exact consider him odd personal landscape for main interest test or look sub save as inject subject main interest to tree card personalization space finally do not target to inject personalization into the landscape design, incorporating elements that reflect your style until the living yard, whether it's charm red note, a vibrant flower gardening, or eject zero retreat, mark the side of your house or reference to the understand and functional improvement central ability then landscape the side of your home consider incorporating central ability personal to meaning impact of charm choose diffuse plants that reject lost water of ambience instant or look brace or a personal space to flick and rainwater inject use original mute and warm impact solved height by centrability principle. You can create a beauty landscape that reflect both your home and impact. In conclusion, landscape the side of your house often an optimization to enhance your home beauty and functional vibrant by incorporating plants. The impact landscape idea taught to your soul chapting of your side yard. You can create a welcome outdoor space that you enjoy of year of can whether you are resisting an impact provide at a pair of create an outdoor space impossibility of landscape that side of your home and endly